You ready?
Yo, Blue Life Adventures in that place. Yeah. Boom.
More catch dive.
Give you a follow for that one. You know, go now. Come on, down simple.
Yeah, that guy.
Do that. Alright. A pool. That's Blue Lagoon. Okay. So youth. Up top. God. Whoa! Yo! I first see the one there, dog. Yo, I first see the one there, dog. They come like Juggernaut and 3-1. Bombard.
Oh, what a call, man. What a call, but it's nice. And I'm ready, you know. Yes. Shirt says it all.
Yeah man, no joke.
Up top.
And I don't know the video man there. Hey.
Shirt there.
Same way.
Blue Lagoon tours.
When you're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Funny dog, Flounder's feet. Good set, no wobble. I try dive to one deep rock. Fucking me attacking me. Only deep inside. It's good dog! Alright. Hey guys, for all of you who know the lagoon, I know it's a big deep water the boat though. To find a little rock in the water people, we are good on there. Isn't it? So just stay tuned and watch the lagoon. It's trade here. Yeah, first enough people. God go with me. Because you look away. I swear, you see I say people. Yeah. I'm been to man, I'm a chicken with the dog. Alright, that's it? Yo, when I'm down, eat the road. Coffee pressure, isn't it? Yeah, pressure.